Welcome back to another video on our channel, How to Log In. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Snapchat on your Android device. So it is a quick and easy process, so let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you need to do is go to the Play Store. And then in the search bar, type in Snapchat. Next, tap on the install option. As soon as you do that, the application will start to download and install on your device. The download duration will depend upon the speed of your internet connection. It could take a few seconds, even up to a few minutes. After the application has been downloaded on your device, you can tap open the application. And from here you'll be able to sign up or log into your account if you already have an account. So that's how you can download Snapchat on your Android device. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and we'll be back soon with more videos similar to this.